I have over 100 plants and this is how I keep them happy and hydrated whilst I'm traveling. I love to use self-watering vessels and these glass mushrooms are super cute, or you can also use simply fill your vessel with water and push it into the soil of your plant. Another great method is to use a drip trays. I fill up the drip tray with water and then I also put water all the way through the plant. This ensures that the soil is wet and there's also further water reserves for your plant to absorb whilst you're away. If you don't have any drip trays, you can also use bowls for this. This is one of the main reasons I like to keep my plants in the nursery pot, as they have really great drainage holes. This is of course plant dependent, so for my cactuses and succulents I usually just give them more water before I am leaving. Plants such as the ZZ or the string of hearts don't need much water and they'll be absolutely fine for a few weeks on their own. As there will be extra water hanging around, I like to set up a few gnat traps so they get any little bugs that might pop up. For those plants that like a bit more hydration, I like to use the tub method. Simply pop your water-loving plants in the bathtub and fill with about an inch of water. If you don't have a bath, you can also use a sink for this, or again, use some bowls. I have a bath and a skylight, so these will be absolutely fine for a few weeks on their own. It is summer here in Australia and I like to also mist my plants so they've got increased humidity whilst I'm away. Another great method is to invest in some self-watering pots. For my prayer plants, I've got water reserves down the bottom and I'm using the string method. As well as misting my plants, if you've got any moss poles, you can give these a good mist or spritz as well. Finally, I'm going to make a batch of my DIY gnat traps using vinegar and soap to again catch any bugs that might be flying around.